TV legend Johnny Ball has blasted the BBC for getting stars like Harry Styles and Tom Hardy to read bedtime stories to kids, then screening them on Little Watch channel CBeebies. The broadcaster, who hosted Play School on BBC One in the 1970s, raged at his former bosses for their scheduling decisions. He said, "Would it not have been lovely to get Harry Styles to do Jackanory when children's television was where it should be on BBC One from 3:30 p.m. until 5 p.m. That is where it should be today, not on some remote channel. Wouldn't it be lovely if Harry Styles was doing that with 5 or 6 million viewers? All they have now on TV in the afternoon is bloody gardening, cooking and houses." The presenter's daughter Zoe is one of the Beebs' top earners thanks to her role on Radio 2. Johnny was a regular fixture on children's television throughout the 70s and 80s, beginning with popular science and technology programs including Think of a Number and Think Again. Huge stars like pop star Harry, movie hunks Tom Hardy, Chris Evans, Tom Hiddleston and Regé-Jean Page plus Reese Witherspoon, Dolly Parton and Elton John have all appeared on the bedtime stories slot, where they read out a tale for the camera. Johnny, chatting to The Sun at Chelsea Flower Show this week, went on, "We used to get 5 million viewers. They don't get anywhere near that now, and that is what Blue Peter and my programs used to get." Johnny was one of the hosts of Play School from 1967, then in later years, appeared on Strictly Come Dancing in 2012. He was paired with Aliona Villani until a training accident forced her to retire temporarily from the show. Johnny was 74 at the time, and he is the oldest contestant in the show's history.